guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with another wig review. If you want to see the details on this unit, just keep on watching. So today's review is on the Model. This is the Artist Human Hair Master Mix. She is a lace front unit in the style AT213 and the color number 2. This video is not sponsored by anyone. I just want to let you guys know that you can find luck in your local beauty supply store. I walked into mine and this is the unit that I walked out with. So impressed with this unit. As far as wig construction, she comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and of course that old imported adjustable strap. She is a straight part. You guys, you don't know how happy this makes me. I typically part my hair in the middle. I love a straight part. There's no fuss, no tugging, no hair to leave out. Like, you put her on and you are done, honey. I love the fact that there are 2 combs in the front because I've been wearing a kind of a synthetic dome cap, and it's secure enough that I can literally put the 2 combs in the front underneath the dome, which means I'm saving my edges. I don't even have to put the comb in my baby hairs, which means what? I am protecting my hair, i.e. protective styles by using wigs, okay? It's same thing with the comb in the back and of course the adjustable straps. Make sure that this unit is not going anywhere. And honey, I was in Chicago this weekend, you know, the Windy City. If she was gonna fly off, that would have been the city that we would have been embarrassed in. But honey, she just hung on and allowed me to slay all day and well into the night. Whole nother story. The luster on this unit is so realistic, you guys. If you've been following me for a little while, you know I typically wear a blonde unit. Don't fuss, never fear. This unit comes in about 10 to 15 other colors. I will leave a few links to some of my favorite online wig suppliers so you guys can go take a look, see what other color you want to purchase. They're very, very economically priced. Although I had to bite the bullet when I went into the beauty supply store, it ran about $49. And of course, this was the only unit they had in the store. I had to buy her off the mannequin, so unfortunately I can't show you what she looks like directly out of the pack. But I will say that manager or that owner of that store was so stingy, I'm sure that no one else was able to touch it or try it on because that was the only one, of course, in this color. They didn't even want to give me a discount, so of course that beauty supply store is going to remain nameless, okay? But again, I will leave some of my favorite online websites where you can purchase your very own at a better price than I purchased. Again, she was $49 when I purchased her in the store. I did find her online for between $32 and $35, so make sure you check the link in the description box to purchase your very own. As far as length on this unit, I'm going to say she's about 24 inches. She comes down below my boobs. When I turn around, you'll see she comes way down to my tush. So I love that. I'm about 5 feet tall and I like it just to kind of, you know, dust on the booty. You know what I'm saying? Dust on the booty. Again, the luster on this unit, although she's a number 2, it's coming off very, very realistic. She does have a little bit more of a synthetic-y feel, but not like it's going to grab your clothes. Like if you were wearing a sweater, I don't think she's going to grab it, but I probably wouldn't advise it. As far as tangling, I wouldn't know anything about it. I haven't combed it, I haven't done anything other than just cut the lace and put her on. The quality of the unit, I will say, is spectacular. When you look in the back, like, you don't see any tracks, there's no humpage, and I just think that comes from great wig construction. I would say she's probably on the small to medium head friendly size. I do have my hair tucked down, you know, just kind of frangéed back, nothing too tight, just kind of twist it back, put my dome cap on, and I love that there's no humpage. The only thing that I would say, you need to cut the lace on this unit, and yeah, go ahead and slay. Yeah, so that's all I have for this unit, you guys. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video. You asked me for it, so there you go. Make sure you share this video with your friends. I think she would be a fantastic girls' weekend look. She's fantastic if you're going to be a bridesmaid in a wedding. I have some girls that are going to prom. Honey, she would be just right for that. And you know what? I'm going to have my athletic outfit on. I'm going into the nail salon right now, and so For this week, she's going to be my everyday girl hair, especially for the summer of 2018. I do think I like the unit enough to purchase her in another color. They kind of had a reddish color and maybe even a blonde color. So comment down below if you guys would like to see me review this exact same unit in another color, or if you want to see an update on this unit. But you know where to find that first. Make sure you follow me on all my social media so you never miss another upload. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. Bye.